All right, let's kick off 2025 in a significantly better way than everything else seems to be going lately. But I've got this container example here. So we've been kind of hinting that we're working on several things simultaneously that relate to the HAX ecosystem, but not HAX directly. So this is a combination of a lot of those things. This is launching a web container. A web container is kind of like how I just launched a terminal command, except it's running a terminal, an active terminal, and this happens in the browser. This way, end user, you hopefully, if you go to play with this when we deploy it, doesn't have to install anything. You don't have to run things on your terminal prompt. It's just there running. So what you're seeing is this was told to launch and build a new site. And so then this is hooked up to Anthropic or the Anthropic API. And so what we're going to do is we're going to ask Anthropic how, say, we want to add a contact page and a for sale page to the site called My Site. And so this has been taught via prompt engineering how to leverage the HAX CLI. And so once this is actually in production usage, you won't see these examples. This is mostly to show you what's possible and happening actively. So let me zoom out a little bit so that menu is open by default. And so you can read these. So what it said is it wants to change directory so it's in the right scope of the command to run. And then it's going to add a page called contact and add a page called for sale. And then if I send the command, it's going to go from here into the container. And then once it completes these commands, it'll be notified, and this window will automatically update once it recognizes the commands have run. And like that, we have additional pages. Now, it's not, pegged just to those. I can, let's see, we could do add a page. Components to the site called My Site. All right. And so I want it to, there we go. So it's going to add something called My Site. Now, right now, because this is for debugging purposes, it's I can modify the command. So let's see if I can't add on parameters so that we can get rid of that My Site portion. I'm not positive. I haven't tried this yet. Hey, there we go. And so the other neat thing about this, especially as it's in this sort of developmental state here, is right, I'm basically able to learn how to use the HAX CLI, and I get live confirmation that it works, right? So in this case, things and stuff, and made a page. I could just keep hitting this. Let's see if it gets mad if I keep sending commands. Oh, it keeps reloading. Oh. Hey, there we go. It added it each time. So that's pretty awesome. So this is one of the current experiments that honestly should be able to hit a production clip at some point later this year. If you want to learn more about the HAX project, play with the CLI, play with these tools, you can go to hax.cloud or hax.psu.edu. Hax.cloud has a lot of really fun, useful examples of things, particularly the web container stuff running to build both web components as well as full sites. Happy 2025. We're just getting started.